Actually get paid while studying or training in Jamaica? Or does training automatically mean free work? Let's clear up the confusion. When training must be paid, when it may be unpaid, and what Jamaican workers and students need to watch out for. So, can you get paid while studying or training in Jamaica? First, it depends on the type of training. In Jamaica, whether you get paid while studying or training depends on who arranged the training, where it takes place, whether you are doing productive work, what your agreement or contract says. Not all training is the same. Let's look at when training is usually paid. You are usually entitled to pay if you are already employed and sent for training by your employer. The training happens during your normal working hours. You are doing real work that benefits the employer. The training is part of your job duties. If you're working, you should be paid. Examples of paid training includes on-the-job training, orientation or probation training, mandatory workshops, skill training required to do your job. Next, we will look at when training may be unpaid. Training may be unpaid if it is part of a school, college, or university program. It is a short internship for academic credit. It is voluntary and not required by the employer. You are not performing productive work. Training will be unpaid if it is learning only and no productive work is being completed. There is an important warning that you should be aware of, and this is free work disguised as training. If you are doing regular staff duties, working full shifts, covering absent employees, generating profit for the employer, then calling it training does not automatically make it unpaid. What should be clear before you start training? Always ask before you start, will I be paid? What is the hourly or daily rate? How long does the training last? Will I be paid during exams or assessments? Will my taxes be paid? Clarity protects you. Some training programs provide a stipend, a training allowance, an honorarium. This is not the same as wages. Know whether the payment is fixed or hourly, is taxable or tax-free. What about apprenticeships and trainees? Apprentices and trainees may be paid, but not always. It depends on the agreement signed, the industry, the length of training, whether the work benefits the employer. Always get terms in writing. What can you do if you are not paid but feel you should be? If you believe your training is actually unpaid work. 1. Keep records of hours and duties. 2. Save messages or agreements. 3. Ask for clarification in writing. 4. Contact the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS, if necessary. Training is not an excuse for exploitation. If your time and labor benefit the employer, payment should be discussed and agreed upfront. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share so more Jamaican students and workers know their rights. Stay informed. Stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.